Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your plug-and-play wiring for your Taco Tunes powered subwoofer in your 2024 and up JBL-equipped Toyota Tacoma. We removed the seat for the purpose of the video. You can lean the seat back. Remove the door sill by pulling upward with your fingers. Remove the thumb screw holding the kick panel, then pull the panel towards the rear of the Taco. Release the carpet locks by pulling upwards. Tuck the front of the carpet under the brake pedal. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding the JBL amp or ANC module in place. Stop! The JBL amplifier and ANC module are wired differently. While the harnesses appear identical, they are not interchangeable, and using the wrong one will damage your equipment. As of July 1st, 2026, the JBL amplifier is equipped with 3 harnesses, while the non-JBL ANC module features only 2. If your Tacoma is not equipped with either option, please check the link in the description below for the correct installation video. Here is a closer look at the JBL amplifier. Here is a closer look at the ANC module. Remove the 30-pin harness by pressing the locking tab and sliding the harness lock outward. Here is a closer look at the locking tab on the harness to assist in removal. Insert the stock 30-pin harness into the Add a Subwoofer harness. Insert the 30-pin harness from the Add a Subwoofer harness into your JBL amp or ANC module. Reinstall your JBL amp or ANC module. Run the Add a Subwoofer harness towards the rear of the Taco. Remove the rear door sill by pulling upwards. Push down the 3 lock pins to release. Pry up the lock pins using a panel removal tool. Using a panel removal tool, pry the panel forward towards the front of the Taco. Remove the side panel. Route the harness through the door sill and tuck the wire under the B pillar as shown. Route the harness under the seat brackets to the center of the Taco. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.